Hello there, just got done watching the movie Interstellar. It's from 2014. It's a 2 hour and 49-minute movie. It's a long one. It's from filmmaker Christopher Nolan, and this is a sci-fi movie. It's got Matthew McConaughey and Anne Hathaway in it, and they are members of a crew looking for another planet for humans to travel to save the, human species and stuff. It's rated PG-13. I'll see if I can find a link to it and post that below. I thought this was actually okay. I'm not usually a big fan of a lot of sci-fi movies, but I thought this one was done in a really nice way. It had a lot of big names in it. Like, a lot of big names were in it. It is a long one, so it might be one that might be best watched in parts. We watched it in 2 parts. And I don't think I'd watch it again just because how long of a movie it is. But I thought it was done pretty good. What did you think of it, Lisa?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. It was a good movie, but it was a long movie, but it had a good story and really well done, graphically and stuff.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it.
So let me know if you've seen Interstellar, what you thought of it. And if you haven't, are you a fan of sci-fi movies? Because if you are, this may be one that you might be willing to enjoy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.